as a student, you're preparing for your exams and then suddenly your AI tutor, whether it's ChatGPT, Gemini, stops working because your internet connection is gone. This is the reality of most of us here in GK, and that is FUT now because we know how bad network can get. When I face this issue personally, I usually have to go all the way to NIHub or to a different faculties from my hostel just to get stable connection. Funny enough, as I was recording this video, the internet connection stopped working, so I cannot even show a demo of another AI site. So that's why I built Soul, short for Study Offline. It's an offline first AI study assistant powered entirely by Gemma 4. Once student has installed it, they can chat with the PDF, generate quizzes, get study guides all offline without needing an internet connection. And as you can see, everything we are going to be doing from now on is going to be fully offline. No internet connection needed. Everything is running locally on my PC. This is the main interface, that is the chat interface. And how it works is that first you upload the document you want to ask AI about. So I'm uploading a document about database. This is my 300 level course material and it's about 300 pages or so. And it didn't take that long to index in database, so actually pretty fast. So first you upload the document, then you can start asking questions about it. Everything that I have seen being generated is in real time. The time is not sped up, it is in real time. This is how fast local Gemma 4 is. And apart from asking it questions about the PDF, you can also ask it to explain it in a way that you understand. So you can ask to explain it in terms of Dragon Ball Z. That's an anime that I watch. Now, having a concept broken down to you and explained in a down-to-earth way makes it easier for students to understand, and it shows that the model doesn't just work with RAG, doesn't just pull from the document directly. It also has reasoning capabilities. Together, they can form a very good answer. Another another feature is the quiz generation. So in case you want to take a quick quiz about your PDF, about your material, you can easily do so from web app too. You could also generate study plan. So in case your exam is, let's say, in the next 10 days, in the next 20 days, you could set the date and then based on that, generate a study plan, and it will generate and Soul generate a study plan for you. That is what topics we should cover from today till the exam date and how long you should spend on those topics. You could also generate study notes too. So instead of, let's say you don't have time to read the whole PDF or you just want to go through a concise summary, you generate a study note using Soul and generate. So it doesn't just give you one gigantic study note, it breaks it down into different topics and based on them, it generates study notes for you. When a PDF is uploaded, it is processed locally. Nothing is sent to a server, there is no cloud operations, everything is done offline on the system. Using Soul, this is a demonstration that powerful AI doesn't need the cloud, doesn't need strong internet, it just needs a local machine that it can run on. With the combination of Gemma 4 and embedding Gemma with local RAG pipeline and an ordinary laptop, we're able to have our own private AI tutor that works without internet access. For people in FUT like me that struggle with internet connection and so many other students, having a tool like this can be very helpful, especially in times when network just disappears all of a sudden. And it can also be expanded to places where they don't have any type of network at all, but they have systems that can run these models. And this is the smallest model, meaning that you don't need a powerful GPU or a PC with a dedicated GPU to run it. Mine doesn't have one. it runs it smoothly. So thank you for watching this demo.